How to get more from life by changing your mindset. Most of us hold a huge selection of different limiting beliefs. These limiting beliefs pertain to who we are, to the amount of power and influence we have in our lives, and to the way we're supposed to act in the world. And without meaning to sound pro-conspiracy, a lot of this appears to be by design, a byproduct of the modern lifestyle that we have been born into. We grow up having certain beliefs about what is expected of us and who we are meant to be. And because we are never given an alternative view, we tend to just accept those views. For instance, you grow up believing that at the age of 18 or 21, you will finish your education and get a conventional job. You'll get married at 25 to 30, and you'll have 2.5 perfect kids. What you won't do is run away and join the circus, or decide to work online and to travel the world while you do, or to choose to delay having a family. We are taught to fear all kinds of things. We fear debt. We fear old age. We fear being alone. These fears keep us motivated. They keep us motivated to work those boring 9-to-5 jobs and not to leave work for something more fulfilling. We are taught to want things that we don't really need. How about a big house and a good title, so that you can impress other people? How about a widescreen TV and a huge amount of videos? Let's be honest. You can get all the entertainment you'll ever need from one old computer. And how much money do you really need to go traveling? Why does a title matter? Wouldn't it be more fulfilling to do a small job that you don't care about and to, meanwhile, chase after your dreams in your spare time? No answer is wrong. If you are happy with the conventional view of success, then that is fine. But the point is that you should expand your mind. You should open yourself to other possibilities, other routes, other ways to be happy. Don't be afraid. Don't let fear put you in a box or dictate what you're going to do with your life. And certainly, don't be dictated by the expectations of other people. You can do anything you want to do. The worst case scenario is not as bad as you think it is, and there is limitless possibility out there.